Good morning, students. So today we'll be studying about a new experiment, that is to find resistance of a galvanometer by what Kelvin's method. Okay, we have already studied about what experiment based on what meter bridge, that is to find the laws of resistance using what meter bridge. Okay, so ये जो मेथड है ये थोड़ा सा अलग है. Okay, so first let us see on a paper. Okay, what is similarity and what is difference between what these two experiments. Okay, so first let us see their circuit diagram. Okay, so this is what it is, a meter bridge. This is a meter bridge. Okay, this is a meter bridge. Okay, right. So this is a unknown resistance which we are connected in a left gap first. This is a known variable resistance or a resistance box. Okay, in which say we are introducing a resistance R. Okay, this is a wire of length what 1 meter which is connected. Okay, so अपन ने क्या किया था, we are say we have to find the resistance of what unknown resistance X. Okay, so what we are doing, the use of a jockey was to find a point D on a wire, to find point D on a wire, so that point D is what is, point D is equipotential, point D is equipotential with respect to B, point D is what is equipotential with respect to B. इसका मतलब क्या, there is no we had connected a galvanometer between our point B and D. Okay, so that when this condition is satisfied, no current is flowing across a galvanometer, right? So इसमें we had connected a galvanometer between point B and D. Okay, so when this condition is satisfied, we can make use of what bridge balance condition. Okay, right, that is ratio of what resistance in left gap to resistance in right gap, that is X is to R is equal to resistance of what wire AD to what resistance of wire DC, right? And since resistance is what is directly proportional to what rho L by A. Okay, right, and since rho and A we are kept constant, so it is directly proportional to what length, and that is why we have got what this particular equation, and using this equation we were able to find out value of X, right? So in the case of Kelvin's method में क्या कर रहा है? Okay, right, it's working here, the method is same, only thing is we are not connected a galvanometer between point B and D. यहाँ पे we are connected a galvanometer between not point B and D. In this case we are not connected a galvanometer between point B and D. Okay, though the working of jockey is what is same, that is we use a jockey so as to find point D on a wire, so that it satisfies the bridge balance condition, that is the potential at point D is same as at point B. Okay, so that we can make use of what bridge balance condition, right? And if this condition is satisfied, okay, we can make use of what bridge balance condition, that is resistance of a resistance in left gap to what resistance in right gap is equal to what resistance of this part of wire A to D to what D to C. Okay, so we get what this formula, right? So since we are not making use of a galvanometer, okay, right? So यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा मेथड क्या है, अलग है. So let us see how to do this what particular experiment. So in this case, what are the steps that will be using it? We are introducing certain resistance in a resistance box. Then what we are adjusting the current in a galvanometer to a certain value, say 15 divisions. Okay, and so as we are performing experiment, the things would have much more clear, right? So coming to a apparatus. Okay, let us see the connections first. Okay, the circuit diagram is what is similar to the one that we are seeing for what the meter bridge. Okay, that is positive of a battery. Okay, so this is a meter bridge, this is terminal A of a meter bridge, this is terminal C of a meter bridge, this is what is terminal B, right? So positive of a battery we are connected to terminal A of a meter bridge. The negative of battery goes to one fixed terminal of a rheostat. The variable terminal of a rheostat we are connected to terminal C of a meter bridge. Say in first case we are connected a galvanometer in a left gap of a meter bridge. Okay, and we are connected a variable known resistance, that is resistance box in our right gap. Okay, and from point B we are connected directly to a jockey, right? So as I told you earlier, the first step is what we introduce a certain resistance in a box. Okay. So over here I introduced a resistance of 100 plus 20, that is 120 resistance in a resistance box. So make sure that all other keys are what? Tight. So the resistance in right gap is what it is, 120. Okay, we have to find the resistance of a galvanometer. Okay, right. Since in this case we can see what, as the galvanometer is connected in series. Okay, so when we switch on a battery, okay, when we switch on a battery, okay, the galvanometer will not indicate the amount of current that is flowing in it. So what we do is, okay, using a rheostat, we adjust the current flowing through a galvanometer to a certain reference value. Say we are adjusted it to what, a division of what, 15 divisions. Okay, so now we can see the current flowing through a galvanometer is of what, 15 divisions. Okay, current flowing through a galvanometer is of what, 15 divisions, right? So using a jockey, we find a point on a wire so that it is the amount of current flowing through a galvanometer is same, that is of what, 15 division. Okay, that is जैसे अपन ने देखा था जॉकी का क्या यूज होता है, टू फाइंड पॉइंट ऑन अ वायर, ओके, पॉइंट डी ऑन अ वायर, so that it is equipotential with respect to B. Okay, right? Say let me show you. Say there is a point which is not equipotential with respect to B. Suppose I am touching a jockey on a wire at say this point. Okay, say in this case this point D is not equipotential, then the deflection in a galvanometer it will reduce. It will not remain same. That is 15 division. It will be less than that. Okay, so this point which I adjusted for, it is not equipotential. Why? Because the deflection shown by galvanometer is not same, that is of 15 division. Okay, and one more thing. Okay, when I lift a jockey from a wire, okay, what happens? We can see what, the needle deflects and come back to what, the original that we have presetted for, that is of what, 15 division. Okay, and similarly what we have to do is, we have to tap a jockey at various position. We have to tap a jockey at various position and find a point on a wire so that we get a same deflection in the galvanometer. Okay, right? So I am tapping a jockey at various position. Okay, बेटा ये और ये दोनों भी दिखाना है. Okay, right? Say over here, but on lifting a jockey, I can see what, galvanometer that is deflecting a bit. So this is not a equipotential point. Okay, तो adjust करो इसको, adjust it. Okay, say at this point, okay, galvanometer is or it is not deflecting. That means what, this is what, it is equipotential point, and its value is how much it is? It is 46. It is what, is 46. LG value is what, it is 46. Okay, so 100 minus LG will get, it will be 54. Okay, so how to write a reading? How to write a reading in a handbook? That is, we are connected a galvanometer in left gap. Okay, the resistance that we are introducing in the resistance box is, or it is 120 ohm. Okay, we had got a reading over here as what, 46 centimeter of what, LG. So LR is what, is 100 minus 46, which is what, 54, and so on. We can, by what, substituting the values, we can find the value of what, G, right? So similarly we have to do it for what, some more values of what, resistance in a box. Okay, let us take what, one more value. Say we have taken what, 100. Now let us take a value of say 100 plus 50, that is 150. Okay, that is what, 150. In a resistance box. So we can see the this reading in a galvanometer as what, it has changed. Okay, so again adjust it for what, 15 division. Okay, now it is 15 division. Again what, find point D on a wire find point D on a wire, okay, so that we are getting equipotential point on a wire, okay. Tap it at various point, say at this point, okay. At this point what? It is 10, okay. But on lifting a jockey, the needle is or it is deflecting, okay. Even over here we can see it is or it is deflecting. So we have to find a point on a wire so that even on lifting a jockey from a wire, the needle is not deflecting. Okay, it is deflecting over here. यहाँ पे it is deflecting. It is deflecting a bit over here. Now see at this point, okay, it is not deflecting. Okay, so what is that value on a wire? It is 38 centimeter. It is for 38 centimeter. For 38 centimeter, okay, even on lifting a jockey from a wire, the needle is not deflecting. That means 38 centimeter it is equipotential with respect to B, okay, right? So the current is not flowing from either D to B or B to D, or the same amount of current, that is of 15 division, is passing through a galvanometer, right? So basically the jockey is to find a point such that it should get equipotential with respect to B, and in this case a point should be such that the amount of current flowing through a galvanometer should be same as we had presetted it for, right? So यहाँ पे we had introduced a resistance of 150 and we are getting the values of 38 and what 62. So we can do the calculation. Similarly repeat for what the different resistances. Thank you.